Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Zabe Glam here again. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. I hope you subscribe to the channel and join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this beautiful makeup look on my model. So if you'd like to see how I did this makeup look on her face, please stay with me and watch the video to the end. Right now I'm just cleaning her face. Now I'm about to apply my moisturizer, and the one I'm using is from Msmetics Cosmetics. So I'm basically just blending that into her skin. Please make sure you blend your moisturizer properly before going in with your primer. Now for the primer, I'm using the Zikel Cosmetics one first. So I'm just going to blend that all over her face before going in with the mattifying one. So I'm basically just blending, blend. For the mattifying one, I'll be using this Stay Matte by Rimmel. Yes, Rimmel Stay Matte. I'm also just going to blend that properly into her skin. Blend until you're not seeing all those patches again. That's when you know it's properly blend. So right now I'm going to just go over the primer with my pressed powder, like I'm doing right now. For the foundation, I'm using Revlon foundation in the shade, I think 45. So I'm just going to basically blend that all over her face with my brush first. Blend it all over the face properly, and then I'll go over it with my beauty sponge just so everything is well and properly blended into her skin. So that's what I'm doing right now. For concealer, I'm using the Adventure Concealer. I think this one was in the shade 03 or 05. Yes, one of those. So I'm just going to blend that properly into her skin, all over the places I want to be highlighted. That's what I'm doing, as you can see. The bridge of her nose, forehead. Just blend all over the proper places that you're meant to apply your concealer. Your highlighter. Your light shade of concealer, obviously. So right now I'm going over it with my pressed powder to set the concealer first. Right now I'm applying my loose powder to bake. I'm basically just applying the loose powder in the areas where I want to be highlighted on her face. Now I'm contouring using the Maybelline Super Stay foundation I think that's the darker shade. Just contouring the area of her faces where I want to appear slimmer. So that's what I'm doing, just contouring a cheekbone, forehead, a nose, a jawline, and all those places where will make your face appear to be slimmer and things. Yeah, so yeah, we're contouring the nose right now using my tiny brush so I can get a precise line. Look at that nose contour, just look at that. Okay, so we're just blending it properly. So right now we are blushing using my Morph blush. I think I'm using the orange shade, and like the orange and burgundy shade that's there. That's what I'm mixing to blush her face right now. Right now we are blending the whole face with my pressed powder. The powder I'm using is from LadyVeeauty Cosmetics. Just blending all over her face to remove all those harsh lines, to make everything appear flawless, Now we're moving to the brows. I'm using my Miss Loretta brow pencil just to highlight her brows. So for the record, guys, I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial on my channel. For this video, I'm not going to be showing you guys the whole brow process, so it won't be unnecessarily long. So if you want to see a detailed brow tutorial, just go to my channel, just check, you see the video, or I'll probably just put a link over here at the top so you can click on it and just watch it. So right now we are concealing the brows using the same concealer I used to highlight her face. That's the same concealer I'm using to just clean up the brows. And yes, just conceal and blend conceal and blend. That's the process, because this concealer dries up really fast, so I'll make sure I blend immediately before it begins to give me that harsh line, or before it becomes hard to blend. So did the same thing in the both side, and now we are just I'm making the contour to be more pronounced, because I've been noticing when I was doing the brows, it kind of cleaned up the contour, the nose contour rather. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then now we're applying our primer, the eyeshadow primer. Yeah, so blend, you want to blend your primer very well so that your eyeshadow will have a seamless base to sit on. So these are the colors I'll be using for the eyeshadow. The first one I'm using right now is the brown one, the brown shade from the 4 shades that I showed you guys. So just apply that and then blend like I'm doing. Blend. The second color we'll be using should be the orange. Yes, the light shade of orange that's there, because there are 3 shades of orange actually. So this is like the lightest orange there. Just putting that close to the brow bone to blend out that primer. So just blend, watch the process and enjoy. I'm just patting on the orange, the deep orange shade, gently, bit by bit, stage by stage, step by step. The more I apply, the higher I go. Like, how do I explain it? My mother was sleeping. Okay, yeah, guys. So we're done. Now we're going into the lighter shade to blend. Just blend, guys, blend. For eyeshadow, you just have to keep blending until you see that there's no need for you to blend again. So that's what we're doing right here. So just, guys, watch the process and then enjoy. I think that's all the voiceover I'll be doing.